Like, and this is Kate and Kens, and welcome to the Smoothie Challenge with special guest, Paris. Okay.
Do you want to introduce who Paris is?
Paris is my little cousin.
Next part of our little endeavor will be the Fart Sounds Challenge, which we are stealing from Hannah Hart, Grace Helbig, and Mamrie Hart. And the, I don't know, I guess, challenge would be you find a fart sound, you have to first say its name. If you laugh on the name, you have to take a shot of your drink. And if you laugh at its sound, you have to take an additional shot. Or one if you didn't laugh at its name. Yeah. You have to take a shot as well. I know. Okay.
So, who starts it off? Youngest? Alright.
Okay. Say a fart sound.
Pick a sound, say it. If you laugh, we gotta take a...
Heiny hiccup.
I couldn't help it.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
It's like banana cheese.
Okay, my turn. I feel like we should stand in front of it so I don't have to keep going back and forth.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, it didn't. Oh. Oh, it tastes like banana cheese.
Okay. The unthinkable Molly Brown's undergarments.
Man!
Why did you laugh?
You didn't see that. Oh, man. Oh, look, she's hearing yours.
No, that's hers. That's why I moved in between. That was just a sip, Kay. That's not
But that was nasty, okay? Jurassic farts.
Mmm. That's it.
Oh, dang.
I'm good. I'm good.
I'm sad.
I'm never laughing again.
I know.
I'm not laughing anymore.
Squat thrust.
No, okay.
Whew, I'm good. Alright.
No.
And if they don't laugh, don't you put the...
You have to take your own shot.
Oh, so that means I had to drink too, don't I?
Yeah, don't laugh again. You're not.
That's so nasty. Can we stop?
Nope.
What
You want to do it.
End?
I don't know.
Once you know what? It kind of tastes like chocolate now.
Good.
It's
Okay,
like
I'm
chocolate
ready.
and banana cheese. That's what it tastes like. It's like...
Next up we have I Think I Can on the can.
Yeah, at least I'm not alone.
Go Gotta love me.
And that's the truth.
You keep getting short ones.
No, man. You laughed.
You.
This is so nasty.
Please pick a good one. Okay. Old Sparky. I didn't mean to do that.
I understand.
Old Sparky.
I didn't lie. I didn't lie.
She did. You're laughing.
No, you're not.
It counts. Can it count?
I'll make it count. I haven't had a shot yet.
Hers tastes like salsa.
Yeah.
You tasted it?
Well, she just told me. Who's the other day? Is it you?
Yeah.
It's your turn.
Where's the chunk in that?
Ew, a chunk of what?
I'm not even sure anymore. I think it's apple skin.
Yep. Okay. It's your turn.
Okay.
Ow.
Feces, pleases?
Ew.
No. Wait, did I misread? No, I read it. Right,
It's
okay.
like a Reese's Pieces.
Dang it. This is so nasty.
Mudslide. I can't stand y'all. Y'all ugly. Alright. Ugh. Ugh.
Weed eater.
Yours isn't that bad.
Nah, not weed eater.
Taylor's is weird.
Mm-hmm. Wet and wimpy.
Hers is
Wet
gross.
and wimpy. Wet and wimpy. Oh, I got a short one. You laugh, you laugh.
I did that. You, what's in yours?
All those icings. Oh, that's what I taste.
I taste nastiness.
Mm.
Yours is like medicine.
Cheese, dog.
Okay. Cheese.
No.
Ah. All right.
Would you like ketchup?
Gonna take the shot.
Nerves. At least I know how to take shots at yours.
Do you try mine?
I'm
Right.
scared.
Okay.
So far, mine tastes the best of all of those.
Morning dew. Morning dew. She laughed.
I really laughed, actually.
Oh, whatever. You did? Okay.
That made me sick. Oh. Hello?
Like,
2 more people are gonna go. And then
then we've had enough. Didn't get very far in our drinks, but they're disgusting. Okay, we're all back. So I'm going then Kay, then we're done. No more.
My smoothie tastes the best out of everybody's.
No, it doesn't. That no. Mm-mm.
You taste between you two.
Hers tastes gross. Yours make me want to throw up.
Yeah.
Did you taste hers?
Yes,
It made you want to throw up?
She just stuck her tongue in it.
I tasted it.
Donut cream filler.
What a
It's
cream
okay.
filler.
I'm disappointed.
Fart of the bumblebee. Oh, we heard that one before. Did you take your? Yeah.
Well, that's it, folks. I had a good time drinking and making is disgusting.
I named my smoothie. What was it?
Mine is barf bag.
Ew. Mine is banana cheese. What did you name yours?
I look sweet, but I'm nasty.
If you guys want, recipes for the smoothies,
They will be scrolling by.
just let us know.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.